So, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Brian. And I'm your host, Professor Brian. So, I want to continue the series of math anxiety videos that I've been doing. And I wanted to, in this video, get more into some of the causes that I believe to be associated with that. And I touched on some things with the math myth videos that I had and like the mind game one. So let's talk about some more causes. So oftentimes, math anxiety comes from negative experiences that people have had during their childhood. And if you're a kid right now, that could be things that are happening right now. And as you grow older, if you remember or not, that's usually the case. And this is either because we perceived we weren't good enough or we were told it. And both are unfortunate, but both are big causes with that. And if you're someone who is a returning student and it's been a while since you've had math, that can be a contributing factor too. And here's the other thing, whether it be something traumatic that happened in your life surrounding math when you were younger or returning to it as an older student, one of the causes of math anxiety is math anxiety. You might have those roots, but math anxiety is self-propagating. It's one of those things where it's a vicious cycle because you might feel that you're not good enough to do math. And that fear and that anxiety, that might prevent you from unleashing your inner mathematician. And if you're on a task or just like practicing, you might find yourself not doing the work or not being able to fully grasp that. And because of that, because of that feeling that you didn't fully grasp it or that you weren't able to do it to the best of your abilities, leads to you having further math anxiety. When actuality is this, you can do math, but it is hard to get to that mindset where you're like, yes, I can do this and I can get into it. Um, and that's the tricky thing with math anxiety. So that being said, I want to do another video where I'm talking about possible ways to combat that. And some of those were included in the myth video and the mind games because like knowing those I feel like helps, and knowing this where it comes from could also help. So I hope you learned something from this video or it helped you in some way, and I hope you've seen the other videos or will, and that they help you too. That being said, Professor Braun out.